Welcome to our channel IL Education. Today we discuss the chemical basis of life, grade 10, the third episode. In second episode, we discuss the carbohydrates. Firstly, we discuss the proteins. Protein is an essential constituent in all living cells. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen are always present in protein. Sometimes sulfur can also be present. Now we discuss significance of proteins. As enzymes, as antibodies, as hormones, as an energy source to make structural components. Firstly, we discuss as an energy source. When energy supply from lipids and carbohydrate is not sufficient, protein is used in energy generation. Now we discuss to make structural components. Protein are important components in making cell membrane, hairs, and further also maintain keratin protein. As hormones, some hormones are protein which involve in homeostasis and coordination of organisms. As an antibodies, the antibodies that are products in the body to protect the body against microorganisms that enter into the body are proteins. Test to identify proteins. Biuret test, a solution made by grinding dal or an egg white is obtained into a test tube. An extra amount of sodium hydroxide NaOH and then few drops of copper sulfate is added into it. CuSO4 solution turned to purple color. Now we discuss what is meant by CuSO4. This CuSO4 means the copper sulfate. Now we discuss what is meant by enzymes. The special proteins that are produced within organisms to increase the rate of biochemical reaction are known as enzymes. For example, to convert sucrose into glucose, sucrose has to be heated with a dilute acid, but the enzymes present in digestive system do the same reaction at a low temperature. Activity of amylase on starch. Material required: flour, amylase, test tube, white porcelain tile, iodine solution, water, and stopwatch. Method: put 2 ml of starch solution into a test tube. 2 ml of amylase. Filter a solution of ground germination green gram into it and mix well. Get a drop from this solution after 2 minutes and place it on a white porcelain tile. The blue color of the drop obtained from the mixture gradually reduces with time and finally obtain the color of iodine. Starch gives black-blue color with iodine, but it does not give color change with iodine after 20 minutes as there is no starch there. That is because starch is converted to maltose by amylase enzyme. Third episode is end. Join it first episode. If you like our videos, please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Goodbye. See you again. This is an IL education towards the infinity of education.